Hello, everyone. My name is Dave Das from Akasha Yoga Academy. It's my privilege to be here with you today talking about a topic that I feel like affects many people in the modern world, which is how to get a beautiful, fulfilled, restful night of sleep. In the modern world, with the way things are, with to do lists and responsibilities and job and family and all of the things that we juggle, it can be a real challenge to come down at the end of the day. And what some of us don't really realize is that actually we've been given a tool that help us to regulate our nervous system. And that tool is called pranayama in yoga. It actually just means working with life force or working with breath, the breath being kind of a tool by which we can help ourselves either to feel more energized or alternately to feel more relaxed, to help wind down, to help cool down at the end of the day, leave the day behind, and come into a state where we're ready for a beautiful, restful night of sleep. So today we're going to look at two very simple techniques. One's called Nadi Shodhana, one's called Brahmari. Nadi Shodhana is alternate nostril technique. That's a technique that is very, very beautiful and beneficial for sleep. Just helps regulate the nervous system. If the nervous system is out of alignment one direction, just helps it bring it back into center. And Brahmari is this buzzing bee breath, which also just helps cool us down and center us and help us get relaxed into the state that we're ready for a good night's sleep. So the intention is that you follow along. So let's get ready. Come to a nice seated position. That can be in a chair, can be in your bed, can be wherever you want. Take a moment just to make sure that you're nicely lifted up through the spine, that your sit bones are grounded down, that the body is really relaxed. Many times we're holding some kind of tension somewhere in our body. So just make a mental scan of the body and see, oh, wait a minute, my shoulders. If there's some place that's tight, just tense it up a little bit and then consciously really relax it. Let it settle fully down. Go through all the parts of the body that need relaxation. Already preparing for sleep by just really, really relaxing the body, relaxing the mind, letting go of any thoughts about what happened today or what's going to happen tomorrow. Just coming deeply into this present moment. Becoming aware of the movement of the breath, not controlling it yet, just watching. Seeing how is it moving and where is it moving. Is it more agitated? Is it more relaxed? And not trying to control it, but really just seeing, this is what's happening with my breath in this moment. And when you're ready, we're going to bring our left hand just into our lap somewhere comfortably, and our right hand we're going to use the thumb and the pinky with the three fingers pointed straight upward. So we'll use the thumb to close off the right nostril and the pinky to close off the left nostril in this simple alternate nostril breath. So if you don't know it, just go ahead and follow along. First closing off the right nostril, inhaling through the left. At the top switch, exhale right. At the end of the exhale, straight into the inhale. At the top, switch, exhale left. At the end of the exhalation, straight into the inhalation. At the top, switch, exhale right. At the end, straight into the inhale. Switch, exhale left. And now the same pattern as slow and even as you can. Just inhaling, then switching at the top, and then exhaling. Nice and even and smooth breath all the way throughout. As slow as you can go comfortably. Remembering in general, if you ever gasp or rush for air, just slow down, take an even, smooth pace, and don't push the breath too hard. This is a centering technique meant to just realign us in our center. And last round here, really try to enjoy the flow of the breath. And the next time that you exhale out the left nostril, you can just bring the practice to a close. Bring your right hand down into your lap also when you've finished. And we'll just spend a moment just relaxing with that, giving our nervous system a chance to integrate that profound and beautiful centering that happens as a result of Nadi Shodhana. If the mind starts to wander, just bring it back to association with the breath. Just feeling the subtle movement of the breath in the body. And now we'll practice about 3 rounds of Brahmari Pranayama. If you just want to open your eyes for a moment, you can watch the first round. So we use our index finger just to cover the tragus of the ear. The tragus is this little bump of skin. So you put it on the outside of that bump, and you use your index finger just to close over the ear. Then we inhale through the nose, and we exhale with a humming sound. So put your fingers over your ears and inhale with me. When you've finished with your 3 rounds, the hands can just gently fall back down in the lap again. You can just keep your eyes closed and feeling the subtle echoes of that technique, which they say can help us more quickly transit into the deep sleep state. With the body and mind completely relaxed, it's time to gently transit toward sleep. May it be a beautiful, restful, peaceful, rejuvenating sleep that you deserve. Om Shanti, Shanti.